Layo, dito lang, lapit ka lang.
Kasi game. Game.
Se. Se. Oh. Ano ba yan, Gi? Daxel, hindi naman nakikita yung mukha niya eh. Ah. Sama ng tingin niya sa dede ko.
Sinabi.
Bilis naman na. Hoy, ano ba?
Si Daxe! Si Josh!
Saan ka ba nakatingin sa dede ko?
Ah,
Para ka naman tanga eh.
nahuhulog kasi yung kamay ko. Easy dito. Happy balance.
Di naman nakikita. Ilayo-layo mo kasi. Ano, tama na nga. Walang kwenta.
Samsan pa kasi inaano eh.
Ay. Hi. Hello. Easy. Tingin ang tot mo. Tit mo. Tingin. Tingin. Sit down. Sit down. Ate! Gucci, Gucci! Stand up. Hoy, tinitingnan mo dyan. Ay!
Gail ha, kumain na dyan. May bagong ano.
What happened to you? Mama. Say mama. 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 You say mama? Uy. Uy. Kumurap ka naman dyan. Ang iyong laway ay lumalabas. Aray ko.
Quack, quack, quack.
You didn't know that you're actually a huge jerk. Yes, I am. Now leave me alone. I went to the beach to compose myself, and then there he is again, holding a bouquet of flowers.
Quack, 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 quack.
I almost told him when I saw him.
Puro ka
ka kasi kagat.
Puro ka kasi kagat.
Austin, my boyfriend, right? I felt so confused. I grabbed his phone and dragged him inside the building. Just then, I bumped into the hotter Austin. She was only 40, but she behaved like she was 20. When I was 4,
Try ka kayong dada.
Eat ka, i-eat ka. I-eat ka. Oo. Ang likot naman itong mahalan nito. Walang papa. Mama lang. Mama lang. Say mama.
my name is Sarah, and I'm from
Mama.
like and subscribe.
Say mama. Mama.
To one lucky person who subscribes in the next 7 days. My parents were only 16.
Eat na, eat. Ate, oh.
I never knew them. They passed away soon after I was born, and I grew up with my grandma. And she was crazy. Grandma had wild parties and concert-like shows in her house with all her girlfriends. And she even had a mini pool. Look at me, I'm a mermaid. I can fly. Well,
Ano yan?
but it was fun to watch her and laugh. Once when I was
Oh!
Nagulat siya sa ila. Ayan na ako!
Sabi ko, wala.
Oh! Hala! Yun ang laksa. Josh. Josh. Josh.
Ayan na ako! Ayan na ako! No more!
Oh. Oh! Hala!
Butog.
Oh!
Ala!
Oh!
Nagulat siya sa ila. Ayun ako!
Sabi ko, wala.
Oh! Hala! Oh! Hala! Oh! Hala! Oh! Hala!
Butog.